Hello student, we will continue with the lesson 1.3 autobiography of a great Indian buster. You know that we birds lay egg and our young ones hatch out of egg. See, you must have seen birds, they lay eggs and they give birth to their young ones. Have you seen? So, from the egg only the young ones are born. Mother GIB. GIB is a short form of Great Indian Buster. Mother GIB lays just lay Mother GIB lays just one egg directly on the ground. So Mother Great Indian Buster lays only one egg directly on the ground. We don't believe in building nest. What she says, Mother Great Indian Buster, that we don't believe in building nest. See, birds, they have their own nest to live in. So she is saying that we don't believe in building nest. But we have a special trick to protect our egg from predators. Now we have a special trick to protect our egg. Predator here, it means animal that hunt, kill and eat other animal. So we have that special trick to protect. We know how to protect our egg from such predators. The egg looks like a stone. Isn't it funny? Now we have seen eggs which looks in creamy color or white color, but this Great Indian Buster egg, Mother Great Indian Buster egg, it looks like a stone. Monitor lizard, foxes, dogs, pigs, snakes and eagles are enemies of my eggs and chick. Now whom we call chicks? The young ones of Great Indian Buster. These are their babies, their young ones. So what she is saying, who are the enemy? The monitor lizard, foxes, dogs, pigs, snakes and eagles are enemies of my eggs and chicks. But my wife protect the egg from all of them. So Mrs. Buster, what she does, though these are the enemies of her egg and chicks, but my wife protects the egg from all of them. She know how to protect her chicks and egg. By the time our young one hatches out of the egg, rain arrives. Now by the time when young one hatches out of the egg, means the young one come out of the egg, the rain arrive, means it starts raining. There's plenty of grass, swarming with insect, fresh food for my family. Now when it is raining, what happens? Plenty of grass grows, swarming with insect. Swarming means group of insect, fresh food for my family. So when it is raining, they get plenty of grass, then groups of insect they graze, and they insect they get, and fresh food also they get for their family, means there is no problem for them. Young ones of other birds soon fly away from the nest. Now young ones of other birds soon fly away from the nest. Now we have seen birds, they give birth to their young ones, and very soon they learn to fly. But a Great Indian Buster mother and chick stay together for nearly 1 year. Is it so amazing? So Great Indian Buster mother and chick, they stay together for nearly 1 year. The chicks learn many good habits from the mother. So in this 1 year, the chicks get the chance to learn good habits from their mother. How to fly, do all good things. You may have heard about a great human friend of ours, Dr. Salim Ali. Now let me tell you who is Dr. Salim Ali. He is a great person who has done the survey of birds and he had lot of studies about the birds, animals and all. He had even suggested that we should be given the status of the national bird of our country. But the honor went to our beautiful relative, the peacock. Now Dr. Salim, he has given suggestion that the national bird of our country should be considered to whom? The great Indian buster. But it is not done so. The honor went to our beautiful relative, the peacock. So peacock is supposed to be the national bird of India. I am happy to tell you that I am the state bird of Rajasthan. Now what the great Indian buster say? But though I am not the national bird of India, but I am happy to tell you that I am the state bird of Rajasthan. So in Rajasthan, this is the state bird of that. We have got 10 sanctuaries for our protection. Now here sanctuary, it means reserved area for birds and animals to provide them protection. So there are forest officers to look after the animals and birds. So what the great Indian buster says, we have got 10 sanctuaries for our protection. But sadly, our number is still going down. Though we have 10 sanctuaries for our protection, but what is happening? Our number is still going down. We used to live in all parts of India. So previously what happened? They used to live in all part of India. But slowly the growing population of man pushes us away from more than 90% of our home region. So this is all because of human being. Their percentage has decreased. But slowly the growing population of man pushed away from more than 90% of our home region. So we are afraid of hunters that kill us for fun. Why the percentage has come to 90%? Why they are not growing their population? Because we find hunters, they go in forest and do hunting. They kill animals for their fun. We also die due to electric power line that we cannot see while flying. See, we can see the electric wire from one place to the other. So when birds are flying, they are unable to see the electric power line. So we also die. And due to this, what happened? The birds, while flying, they get in touch with the power line, electric power line, and they die. So same thing is happening with great Indian buster. We also die due to electric power line that we can't see while flying. We are losing our homes. Naturally, they are dying. They don't have home to live. Today, only the last 200 of us are left in the world. So, in this whole world, how many great Indian buster are left out now? Only 200. We need your support and love in order to survive. Survive means to live. So, what the great Indian buster says? We need your support and love in order to survive. Can you help us? So, they are asking our help. They want our help. So, in what way we can help them? So, the great Indian buster is saying, you can write letter to your leaders and make an appeal to help us. Now, whoever are leaders, we should write letter to them for their protection. Make an appeal to help us. You can make many drawings and submit it to your teachers. Then you can discuss this with your parents. Come to see us at a sanctuary, because now you will not see us in other places. So now we cannot see the great Indian buster anywhere. Only they are kept in the sanctuaries under protection. So in what way we can save their life? So we should make banners, we should draw pictures, and we should do awareness, because now you will not see us in other places. Now we will not be able to see them in other places, means in museum or other zoo also. And now, and who knows, if human don't help us, none of us will be left on the earth. Now what the great Indian Buster says, and who knows, if human does not help us, if we people, if we don't help them, if we don't try to save their life, none of us will be left on the earth. So no great Indian Buster will be left out on the earth. You will only see us in picture, then they will only remain in picture. So this beautiful autobiography is written by Dr. Pramod Patil. Very beautiful it was. Now this is the homework which you have to write in your notebook. Question number 2B. Answer the following in 2 or 3 sentences. First question is, differentiate between the great Indian Buster and his wife, Mrs. Buster. Now answer to this question, the great Indian Buster is heighted and heavier. Its neck is as long and white, has brown wings and tall yellow legs, and black cap on his head. Mrs. Buster is smaller and slimmer than Mr. Buster, and her neck is not white. Question number 2. Why is the great Indian Buster called the Holmes? The great Indian Buster has the special feathery pouch attached below his neck. This pouch helps him to produce a resonating sound similar to the one produced by the cow whom so is called home. Third question. Who are the enemies of Mrs. Buster's eggs? The enemies of Mrs. Buster's egg are monitor, lizard, fox, dogs, pig, snake, and eagles. Give 2 reasons for the great Indian Buster to lose his home. The 2 reasons for the great Indian Buster to lose his home are hunters that kill them for fun. They also die due to electric power line that they can't see while flying. Which environmental problem is highlighted in the extract? The decline of the population of the great Indian Buster, deriving them to the verge of extinction, is highlighted in the passage. Who suggested that the great Indian Buster should be given the status of the national bird? Dr. Salim Ali, a friend of great Indian Buster, suggested that the great Indian Buster should be given the status of the national bird. Why should we save animals from extinction? Animals are also an important element of the food chain. Many species of animals have become extinct. The animals are invaluable. Our existence depends on them. So to stop the link of food chain from breaking, we should save the animals from extinction. Now see question number C. State whether the following statements are those of a great Indian Buster or not. Put a tick mark against the right option. Now here the statements are given: great Indian Buster, some other bird. 2 columns I have made. I am the heaviest flying bird in India. So who said this? Great Indian Buster. So I have put tick mark here. I am known as Maldok or Holmes in Marathi. So, in the Great Indian Buster, I have tick mark it. I live in mountainous region. So, some other bird. In that column, I have tick mark. I don't like grasshoppers or beetle. In some other bird column, I have tick mark. We don't believe in building nest. Who said? The Great Indian Buster. Our chick stay with the mother for a period of nearly 1 year. In Great Indian Buster column, I have tick mark. I am the state bird of Maharashtra. No. So, some other bird column, we have to tick mark it. We have been pushed away from more than 90% of our home region. So, in Great Indian Buster column, tick mark. Now, question number 3 A. Identify the following from the list given and fill in the respective column. That is, 4 columns you have to make noun. No, 5 columns you have to make noun, verb, adjective, adverb and pronouns. So, all these words which I have given, friend, wonderful, bird, gather, human, we, I, healthy, grassland, helps, directly, protect, arrive, together, away, happy, slowly, afraid, you, us. So all these words you have to decide in which column it will come, whether it is noun, verb, adjective, adverb, pronoun. So this you have to do on your own. Now question number B. Do as directed. This you have to do on your own. Mrs. Buster is smaller and slimmer than I am. Now here what you have to do? Pick out the adjective and state the degree of comparison used. So degree of comparison we have learned whether it is positive, comparative or superlative. That you have to make out. Whichever word is adjective, for that adjective word you have to write the degree of comparison. That's a very healthy habit. Put out the adverb. Pick out the adverb. It helps me to impress my soulmate. Now here rewrite the question using the underlined word as noun. So this word I have underlined. So make this word you have to make in noun form and rewrite this sentence. I dance in joy. J-O-Y, joy. Make it exclamatory. Come to see us at a sanctuary. Pick out the preposition. You will only see us in picture. Pick out the adverb. We are losing our homes. Add a question tag. And the last one is give the verbs form of population and electric. So this is your homework. Write down in your notebook and give for correction on my WhatsApp number. And here one information is there from school. 6th standard, 1st to 6th standard workbooks are available in school. You can go and collect the same from school. Thank you so much. Have a good day.